Hello guys, I just need to make a video on this because this is so stupid that it pisses me off. So I just updated my Fusion to the latest version, and I can no longer scroll. I can rotate by holding and using this middle mouse button, but I cannot scroll. And this just suddenly happened. And it happened after I updated to the latest version, which is let me see. Build 26.05.118 November 10. And when I updated to that one, I can no longer scroll. Well, the fix is easy, but whoever decided to put this into Fusion as a default should have their things cut off, because that's just stupid. Okay, so to fix this, go up to your preferences. Hang on a second. I'll move my thingy here. I'll move it over here. There. So to fix this, go up to your preferences. Then you go to the General tab. Then you scroll all the way down here, and you find the option called Use Gesture-Based View Navigation, and you remove that tick. OK. Apply and OK. And you can now use your mouse. You can zoom and do every work like you did. Whoever decided to put this in as a default in the newest update is an idiot. I'm just saying it. So I just wanted to give you guys that heads up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.